So we all been there. Monitoring a database, it's never easy. And one way of doing it is check the logs. So far, there wasn't really a good way of doing it within Xata, but we recently shipped logs. So let's have a look. Currently, I'm on a sample project within the main branch. All I can do is go to the logs here in the sidebar. And as you can see, it's already showing me logs from the last hour. Let me grab maybe logs from the last 3 days, so I have a bit of bigger list to show. And one of the first thing I like to do when I'm showing this list is to enable UTC time. So it doesn't show the logs in my browser time, but in UTC, and enable single line and compact layouts, making it a bit easier to spot all these logs. And I can, of course, click on any log, any one in particular, to get more information, see them raw, even download the JSONs and move around the logs as well. We divided them in 4 levels: error, warning, info, and debug, making it very easy to filter as well. So I can just, for example, filter by, let's say, errors and warnings. And even here in the search bar, I could add even more filtering. And something else I really like sometimes to do is, let's say I'm interested into finding logs that follow a specific pattern, for example, level warning, instance primary, and client backend. All I need to do is click this button, and this would essentially autocomplete my filtering and help me out find all the logs that match this specific patterns. If you really like patterns and stuff, you can always click regex mode, makes it even more detailed. And last but not least, this functionality also now ships within the command line interface. So let me show you now how you can do the same phase, and I can use the command Xata branch logs within these organizations. And I want, let's say, the logs from the last 3 days with this JSON output. I can just click enter. It will ask me which project and which branch, which is this branch. And as you can see, I'm getting the exact same logs right here in the command line interface. So this pretty much sums it up. As always, if you have feedback, let us know. We can always make this better for your use case and your specific requirements. Thank you very much, and well, see you next time.